Welcome to 18 Kingsway, Stourport. This is a 4-bedroom, semi-detached family home. Let's take a look around. So stepping into the reception hall, you've got doors into the lounge, kitchen, and then 4th bedroom or office, and then stairs up to the first floor landing. So let's have a look at the lounge first. So the property's been redecorated throughout. So nice light neutral colours, and the lounge enjoys the aspect to the front, overlooking the front garden and driveway, and then you can access through into the dining room, which again is a lovely light space. You've got patio doors out onto the rear gardens, and then you've got an access into the kitchen. Kitchen. Then you've got your double glazed door out onto the gardens. That's a cupboard space. And then looking into the back garden, you've got a good sized storage cupboard. And back through into the hall and into what our vendors have always used as bedroom 4 and latterly an office. So let's take a look upstairs. So we've got principal bedroom, again with the outlook to the front. Again, new carpets and nicely redecorated. We have a 2nd bedroom, which is again another super double. And you'll have a better view of the garden. We've got a bathroom. And then you've got your 3rd bedroom with storage under the eaves, slightly reduced head height, and then back to the hallway. So 18 Kingsway, give us a call, drop us a text, an email to view, have a look on the video tour online. If it ticks your boxes, ring that bell, like and subscribe. Many thanks.